Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll teach you how to write a simple and effective news article. So whether you're part of your campus paper or joining a Presscon or press conference, this guide will help you step by step, all right? So we'll also learn how to write headlines using Downstyle format. So let's go. Let's go to the first slide. What is a news article? All right, a news article gives readers information about something real that happened. So it could be a school event, a local incident, or something national. The goal is to report facts. That means no opinion, no bias. All right, let's move on to the next slide. Let's discuss the inverted pyramid structure. News writing follows the inverted pyramid style. So that means you start with the most important facts at the top, then add supporting details, and leave the least important info for last. Right? So that means most important first, then followed by less important facts and extra info. All right. Next slide. Write a strong down style headline. So your headline should be short, clear, and of course, catchy. Right? So in journalism, we use the so-called down style headline. We use down style. All right. This means we only capitalize the first letter of the first word of your headline and proper nouns. In this example, it's the Maple High. I mean, Maple High is a proper noun. Let's read this example on screen. Maple High students join citywide cleanup. Again, Maple High students join citywide cleanup. We are using the style. We're only capitalizing the first letter of the first word and, of course, the proper noun in this headline. All right, simple or short, clear, and of course, catchy. All right, next, uh, we're discussing about the lead paragraph, the five W's and one H. So the first paragraph is called the lead. So it should answer the five W's and one H. What are your five W's and one H? Your who, what, when, where, why, and of course, how. This somewhat gives readers the main idea right away. All right. Let's take this example. Grade 10 students from Maple High School launch a cleanup drive at City Park on Saturday to promote environmental awareness. All right. Where is your who? Grade 10 students. Um, what? A cleanup drive, right? When? It was on Saturday. Where? At the City Park. Why? Because they're promoting environmental awareness. And how? By launching a cleanup drive. So grade 10 students from Maple High School launch a cleanup drive. All right. So that's your sample lead. Now let's move on to the next section, which is how to write the body paragraphs. All right. Um, your body paragraphs include more details, the background info, and of course the quotes. Again, your body paragraphs should include more details, background info, and quotes. Use short paragraphs. So that means just 1 to 3 sentences each paragraph. Okay? Short paragraphs. Now let's move on to the next section, which is using direct quotes. Right? Quotes make your story more real. and of course relatable. So as much as possible, use quotes from people involved in the event. All right, use quotes from people involved in the event. So I'm going to be reading here an example quote. It feels great to help the environment, said Maria Cruz, one of the student leaders. All right, it feels great to help the environment, said Maria Cruz, one of the student leaders. Again, this quote is from a person involved in the event. The next slide discusses about being objective. So, as much as possible, keep it objective. Remember, this is a news article, not an editorial. Okay? So, don't share your opinion. Just stick to the facts. Just stick to facts. And let the quotes express emotion or opinion. Okay? Let your quotes express emotion or opinion. Now, for the final tips for writing news article, so here are some quick reminders. I hope you're listening. Firstly, you have to use short, simple words. You have to write in third person, he, she, right? Be accurate. You have to double check your facts. Avoid flowery language. And lastly, keep it brief and clear. Now, for the next slide, I'm going to be reading here our sample news article with, of course, Downstyle headline. Right? This is a sample of a Downstyle headline. Okay. Maple High students join citywide cleanup. Here's your lead. Grade 10 students from Maple High School held a cleanup drive in City Park on Saturday, March 16 to promote environmental awareness. As much as possible, put in your complete date as well. All right. So that's your lead. Grade 10 students from Maple High School held a cleanup drive in City Park on Saturday, March 16. That's your where. To promote environmental awareness. That's your why. Okay. Now let's move on to the body paragraphs. These are your body paragraphs. This should include your details, the background info, and of course, the quote or the quotes, right? So the event was part of their Earth Month campaign. Students picked up trash, planted small trees, and encouraged park goers to use eco bags. Short sentences, short paragraphs, all right? Should be clear. Now let's read the quote. It's tiring but worth it. We're proud to help, said class president Miguel Reyes. All right, use quotes from people involved in the event to make your story more real and, of course, relatable. Okay, the last paragraph would be the school plans to partner with the city government for more environmental projects this year. So considering the inverted pyramid structure, this is the extra info part, okay? This is the extra info part. The school plans to partner with the city government for more environmental projects this year. So leave the least important info for last, all right? Um, hmm, okay, so that's it. That's how you write a news article with a proper down style headline. I hope this helped you feel more confident in campus journalism. Like, share, and of course, subscribe if you want more Presscon writing tips. Also, watch other videos in this channel. Comment below if you want a tutorial on feature or editorial writing next. All right. I believe I have posted a few videos on feature or editorial writing as well on this channel. So please watch those. Okay. Thanks for watching and have a good day.